Again to another amazing day. This is a double pole switch Spur with fuse, mostly used on water heater, gas ignition switch, and small appliances switch without outlet. It is made by MK. It has a neon light and of course a fuse, which is I think 13 ampere mostly. Let's just open it. Lift it like that and you can put it out. Yep, it is 13 ampere. There you are. It is for indoor use only, with a rating of IP2X, meaning 2 is larger than 1 millimeter solid, and X means no water protection whatsoever. Just put it aside again. Push, then screw it in. While pushing it, let's open it. It is a double pole switch. It cuts the line and the neutral. Grounding is not included on the disconnect. It is metal. There you are. Here it has a ground terminal on the top. It has a easy knock out, and here is what's inside. This is the supply, meaning this is connected to the circuit breaker output, and this is where you put the appliances and outlet. It will cut the neutral and line. It is rated at 13 ampere, and if you see this is a holder for the flexible, but it has no hole. Other models has holes here for flexible wire, such as Royal cord. Let's put it back. Just don't forget, this is indoor. We good?